I'm Leo Walder for Kit Guru, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Leo, truly you have a mighty stack of PC components there, and you're quite correct. About £2,500 of hardware. We were sent a pile of components by 5 of our partners here at Kit Guru. The first of those partners, AlphaCool. We said, AlphaCool, send us a load of kit, and they sent us a lot of hardware. A pump, many radiators, a number of reservoirs, a huge pile of fittings, and a load of tubing and coolant, and a mug. From AMD, we got a Ryzen 7 3700X, an unlocked processor that's all ready for gaming. Absolutely brilliant. Cougar did good work. They sent us their curiously named Dark Blader S case and a whole bunch of RGB fans and a power supply. So that's the essentials we need right there. That's good. From Patriot, we have a 1TB M.2 SSD and also 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3600 MHz memory, which is Ryzen ready. So an absolutely perfect combo for that Ryzen 7 processor. However, the pick of the bunch, I have to say, came from Gigabyte. X570 Aorus Master motherboard. That's over £400 right there. And then this graphics card here is the GeForce RTX 2080 Super Gaming OC Waterforce. Quite a mouthful of a name, but it means it comes with a water block. And you may have noticed me using that very graphics card in a build I did recently in a Thermaltake case with a custom hardline tubing setup. Truth be told, this project's been on hold for a little while and I was desperate to use this graphics card. The snag obviously is the human malware. The plan had been that Dave Alcock of AlphaCool was going to come down and join me for this, but that's simply not possible. And I was keen as mustard to use this graphics card. It's over £800 of hardware. I wanted to see how well it worked, so it went in that Thermaltake review and worked very nicely. At this stage in the proceedings, I could simply say I'm going to start the build, you watch it for a few minutes, and voila, some entertainment. But no, we're going to do more than that. Thanks to the generosity of AMD, AlphaCool, Gigabyte, Cougar and Patriot, we're going to give it away. I'm going to build this PC and then one lucky person is going to win it. I don't yet know the details of the competition or draw. I'm going to leave it in the hands of those clever people from those companies. However, one person will win this PC. My job is to build it. I'm going to take the innards of the PC, the power supply, motherboard, processor, SSD, memory, and also a graphics card off my own stock, because I'll be using the liquid cooled graphics card in the final build, put them together as a flat box PC and just check everything works, and at the very least do a BIOS update. That's the build complete, and in the process I've used the entire world's supply of RGB. I think we need to change that to white just to save our eyeballs. It's a heavily tinted glass panel, so let's remove that, and now we can see what's going on inside. I ended up using a 240mm alpha-cool radiator in the roof of the case, a 120 radiator at the front. They're both cross-flow units, and I've got Cougar 120mm fans on those radiators. I've replaced the rear fan, which was originally black, with RGB, and I put a 120 RGB down the front. So 5 120mm fans, plenty of cooling. The pump is an alpha-cool 655, comes with an acetal top, and in addition I've got this unit on top of it which is a reservoir. Instead of having a tall thin cylinder, we've got a short, squat, kind of square sort of shaped reservoir. Anyway, I like it. It works well, and it's also really easy to fill. The rest of the system as before, so we've got Gigabyte motherboard X570, we've got the Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, we've got the Gigabyte RTX 2080 Super graphics card, liquid cooled throughout. Performance good. The Patriot memory XMP is set to 3600 megahertz. We've got the 1 terabyte SSD. We're good to go. Performance in Cinebench, yup, that's good. And also in TimeSpy. Overall, we're happy. The thermals of the graphics card, icy cool. Thermals of the CPU sitting below 60 Celsius under heavy load. As I said in the intro, I do not know the details of the competition, but no doubt there's going to be boxes and links and things flying around all around this video. So however it works out, I hope you're interested enough to enter. After all, it's a 2.5 gram PC. It's free of charge. What a result. Many thanks to AlphaCool, AMD, Cougar, Gigabyte and Patriot. I'm Neil Woodard for Kit Guru. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button, subscribe. Head over to kitguru.net to read more of our content.